I'll be showing you how to send a photo on Instagram. Whether you want to share a picture with friends or send something directly through Instagram direct messages, I'll take you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Instagram allows you to send photos in a couple of different ways. You can send a photo privately to a friend or a group through direct messages. You can also share a photo to your Instagram story to let all your followers see it for 24 hours. Finally, you can post a photo to your main feed, but today we're focusing on how to send photos privately in DMs. Let's start with how to send a photo directly to someone using Instagram direct messages. Follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. In the top right corner of your home screen, tap on the paper airplane icon. This will take you to your DM section. Here, you'll see all your conversations with friends and followers. If you already have a conversation with the person or group you want to send the photo to, tap on the conversation. If not, tap the New Message button, a pencil icon in the top right corner, and select the people you want to send the photo to. In the message bar at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a camera icon or a small gallery icon next to the message box. Tap on these icons. Please note that on some people, if you send them a first message, you will not be able to send a photo. You can only send them a text message. If they will allow you to send them messages, then the icon camera will appear on the message box. If you tap on the camera icon from the left, you will be able to send a new photo. If you tap on the gallery icon, Instagram will open the phone's gallery photos. Browse your gallery and select the photo you want to send. Once you're ready, tap the send button. The photo will be sent immediately to the person or group. You can also send disappearing photos on Instagram. These are photos that vanish after the recipient views them once or twice. Here's how to do it. Instead of selecting a photo from your gallery, tap on the camera icon on the left side of the message bar to take a new photo or record a short video. Once the camera opens, take a photo or record a video by tapping the shutter button. After taking the photo, Instagram will give you 3 options in the bottom left. View once. The recipient can only see the photo once before it disappears. Allow. Replay. The recipient can view the photo or video twice before it disappears. Keep in chat. The photo will stay in the chat like a normal message. Tap on that option to switch between them until you get to the option View Once. Choose your preferred option and tap Send. Here are a few extra tips for sending photos on Instagram. Before sending, Instagram allows you to use filters, stickers, text, and drawing tools to customize your photo. You can send multiple photos in a single message by selecting more than one photo from your gallery. Remember that while you can send disappearing photos, recipients can take screenshots. If privacy is important, use the disappearing photo feature and notify the recipient that the photo will vanish after viewing. You can send photos to groups in Instagram DMs. Just select multiple recipients when starting a new message. And that's how you send photos on Instagram, whether you're using direct messages, sending them as part of your stories, or even sharing posts from your feed. Instagram offers a lot of flexibility in how you communicate with your friends and followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.